Welcome back to another video. Benidorm Scooter Sue here, and today we're going to take a ride down Avenida Mediterraneo. Of course, we've got the famous alley hop or ale hop. Some nice products. So you can get some flip-flops for €3 there. Or a nice sun hat for €3. It's nice little cuddlies. And of course, getting ready for the colder weather. Got some nice hoodies. So I'm going to have to talk so I don't get copyrighted. So I had to whiz past the music a bit because it was very loud and I didn't really want to get copyrighted. So it's another beautiful hot sunny day here in Benidorm today. And we're just taking a ride along the busy Avenida Mediterraneo. If you've visited Benidorm before, you will know this area. Great shops. Bars. Got to consume as well. And all your bus stops across the road. Hello. Hello. Always a few homeless out down here. More nice clothing. And of course, somewhat well known to Benidorm. The police sirens. So as I said, it is an absolutely gorgeous day today. Very, very warm again. It's well into the 30s. Should imagine warmer than that. And I should imagine it's nice and hot down on the beach. What are you up to today? Drop a comment down below. What's the weather like where you are? Got the arcade there. And bowling as well. Here, Ozone. Have you been to Benidorm and been in either of these? Have you been in the arcade or been bowling? We have the Belroy Hotel across the way. And restaurant Japanese. And Cafe Paris. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.